Hello YouTube, welcome to our video. We are How to Hosting Guide, and this is our one of the latest hosting deals videos. This video will cover if a web hosting company provides a good deal and if this deal is actually worth it and what actually do you end up paying. So let's begin. Okay guys, today on the menu is HostArmada's latest deals. They offer, as any other globally developed web hosting company, a very good deal, especially on the shared and WordPress hosting. This is 75% off of their price, which is very good. This is close as possible to HostingGear. They offer 70 something percent off as well. I think 75 or 79, I'm not sure. The reseller hosting and virtual servers and dedicated CPU are also off here, which is a very good thing. And let's see what the shared and WordPress hosting will cost you with their plans. Wow, we have here $249 a month for NGINX powered servers, which is a startup plan, to remind you. And these $249 a month are discounted from $995 a month, which is a bit of high, but the regular price. But the discount is very good. This is better than UltraHost and HostingGear. This price is very good for a month. Let's see what does it include, and is it actually a good deal, and do you actually pay $249 a month? What does it include? First of all, it doesn't have dynamic caching and spree ripper features, but it does have some cute little extras like malware scan and malware removal, and it also has the most important thing for any website, which is a free SSL certificate that is included. We can see here that they have heavily accented on security, which is good. They offer 7 daily backup. This is very good. This is a good deal. Let's see how much do you exactly pay. Let's register some domain here. First year is free for the domain. Wow, this is kind of cool. Okay, I didn't expect that one. The other hosting companies do not have that one, guys. This is very good deal. Okay, let's see here. The bad thing here is that if you want to get the best price, which is $249, which is probably what I've seen so far the best price ever, you have to pay for 36 months. You have to pay for 3 years. That's the only bad thing. But you also get a free domain, which is a plus. So I would still buy that. Biannually, with this plan you also get a very good value. Mind you, HostingGear, which are one of the best companies, they offer for their 2 years plan $280 a month. And yeah, these plans are pretty good, and the features they have are very nice. With the only difference is that HostingGear offers WooCommerce installed in their basic plan. But yeah, so they're, as you can see here, a global company. So if you're located in those continents, these are the locations where you can get a server. So if you're if you want a data center in Frankfurt, for example, you just choose this one. They have made it very easy to go through the purchase process. And let's keep. Okay, you have an accessible integration, which requires an additional purchase, but they have added it for free for some reason. Okay, that's weird. I don't like those add-ons, but whatever. Let's see, what do we have here? Privacy protection. Oh, they want to charge us extra for privacy protection. That's $465. I don't quite agree with that thing. Okay, so the total is whoa. Oh yeah, it makes sense because it's for 3 years, and when you get the discount it makes even more sense. Okay, so you pay less. YouTube, and welcome to our latest deals videos where we discuss the latest web hosting deals of different companies. Today we'll be talking about A2 Hosting. The deals that they offer are 76% off. This is a bit higher than the average, in the industry average of web hosting providers in general. In the same time, their old price is $12.99, which is a bit higher. So with that 76% off, you actually end up paying $2.99, which is a bit higher than the standard in the business, as most companies offer somewhere between the range of $240 and $270 a month. However, let's see what this deal actually includes. Let's see. We have the get started. There they are. This is for shared hosting. Okay, but this is without WordPress. Interesting. This is just so basic shared hosting. No WordPress, nothing. With WordPress, you see the price here is quite big. This is too big. Even for WordPress hosting, I wouldn't recommend this one. But for shared hosting, this is a good price. Let's see, for shared hosting, what do they include here? Light speed, 10 gigabytes of storage. This is on the lower side, as most companies offer 20 and even 30 gigabytes of storage, and they have NVMe SSD, and whereas they offer NVMe only in their more expensive plans. This is just standard SSD. Light speed, okay. Free site migration, good. Automatic backups, good. And let's see, what do we end up paying with this plan? Here we see the billing. This is for 3 years. This is for 3 years. You end up paying $107 instead of $359. This is a very good price for 3 years. But again, you don't get a lot of extras. You don't get WordPress. You have to install it yourself. And it's basic shared hosting. So would I recommend it for basic shared hosting? Yeah, definitely. This is a good deal. The price is normal in the industry, and on the plus side, you get tons of features. The storage is something that if I need storage, I would probably go for another company that offers similar deals, such as Hostinger or Utohost, because this storage is a bit on the lower side. But overall, no, I would recommend this deal. Yeah, it's a good deal. It's a good deal, but you end up paying a bit on the higher side. So yeah, but one thing that is good is that we're talking about A2 Hosting here, one of the leaders in the hosting world, which provide really good service. So for the service that you're getting, this is a good price. It's okay. So yeah, basically this just about sums it up for A2 Hosting's deal. And that's it, guys. If you want to discuss anything in the comments about this company in particular, leave us a comment below and we'll try to answer it as soon as possible. Thank you.
Thanks for watching us, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and this way you support our channel to grow.